It's interesting because I feel like if I was in pre-med, I would feel more of the, like, misogyny in the sciences, because I don't think the environmental sciences are more, like, I don't know the statistic if it's, like, there's more women in environmental science over, like, pre-med or something, but it just feels like with the empathy that comes with it, it's less of, like, competitive and, like, male-dominated. I don't know, like, it just feels like, because it's, like, an empathetic field of, like, a science, which is, like, not really common, you know, it's all just, like, logical, but, like, with environmental science, you have to, like, know all the, like, I don't know, the nuances that come with the issue that you're learning, so it feels less, I guess, like, just there's more, like, progressive people in environmental science in general, other than the other sciences. It's not like environmental science is like, oh, it's the most, like, we care most about things, because it's not like that, but it's just, like, a thing that not a lot of people value as much. And definitely I feel like nature and, like, the earth in general are, like, very associated with the feminine, like Mother Earth, and, like, just being, like, you know, soft and quiet, like, and existing, like, passively. The way you feel when you're in nature and the way that nature is, like, personified, it's, like, always in the feminine sense. So maybe that's where I feel like the connection is between environmental sciences and, like, femininity.
But I'm pretty sure that, like, computer science and psychology, they both used to be male-dominated fields, and they were considered hard sciences at the time. And then, like, once women had more opportunities to go to college and, like, have careers, they started going more into those fields. Same with, like, anthropology and, like, sociology. And then because, like, more women are in it, it was kind of discounted its worth. Yeah, I think it's because, like, women were in it. I know that computer science used to be more of a women-dominated field. It wasn't taken as seriously, and now that it's kind of a boys' club, and you look at, like, things like what happened with Google and that diversity thing a couple of months ago, you can definitely see how it's a boys' club now, and it's considered a real science. And when women were in it, it wasn't considered a real science. So I think that's pretty obvious, like, how a woman's role in, like, fields like that is taken by society at large.